Do you love a random scrappy quilt that includes every different kind of fabric? Or do you contain the scrappiness to just a few favorite color families? In this video, we are going to look at different design options, chaos or controlled, for our scrappy quilts. Welcome to True Blue Quilts. I'm Andy and I help quilters of all levels find joy in the making. As a long arm quilter, pattern designer, and teacher, I want to help you enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt. The idea of a scrappy quilt means different things to different people. The pure definition means every piece is a different fabric. And I used this technique to make an inventory quilt in 2020. My initial vision for the Arizona flag project was to have 2012 different fabrics to represent our 100 years of statehood. But I got too excited to start on that project and just couldn't wait to start sewing. So I grabbed fabric that I had and I did end up repeating some of those fabrics. At one point, I wanted to enter a quilt into the scrap quilt category in the annual Arizona Quilt Guild show. Their definition meant 70 different fabrics or more. So I swapped fabrics online. Everybody cut up just one piece of fabric and sent it off. And then we had the whole rainbow to work with when we got our swap fabrics in the mail. And I made the rainbow twister with that set of fabrics. So there are a lot of options when you are making a scrappy quilt. You can just cut up a bunch of different fabrics and put them all together in a classic block or some technique that you are a fan of, and it makes a wonderful project. But if that seems too chaotic for you, you can calm the design down by using just one or two color families. I am working on this star quilt and I want to use just blue and white. So I'm pairing up different fabrics for each block so that they are all unique. But overall, the whole quilt reads as blue stars. I've even written a book all about single color quilts. It's called Monochromatic Quilts, Amazing Variety, and each design showcases a different colorway. One of my favorites is Purple Angles. You can see that we stretched the definition to include some of the pink shades and even some that may appear a little bit gray, but everything works together and it's a really fun, scrappy project. So which side are you on? Chaos or controlled? I'd love to hear your answer in the comments below. And if you're looking for a fun, fast, scrappy quilt, try one of these quilt patterns, my top 5 choices for quick and easy quilts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.